Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to follow other users on this application if you want to get inspirations and ideas of their works. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, you should tap on the either the Find Ideas section in order to browse among these inspirations and works that other users have created. And if you find something interesting, tap on the artist, and then you will be able to get to know to her or him and check their other works as well. And if you find them interesting and their work intriguing, then tap on the follow button, and as you can see now you are subscribed. So if you tap on the my portfolio icon, you are going to see in the following section the those people that you are following. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.